Hi, I'm Helena, and so I'm gonna be making fluffy slime. So I already made some, and I already used some of this glue. So, um, so have you realized, on the computer, to make fluffy slime, you need contact. Well, I made my own without contact.
Contact liquid.
Contact liquid.
It's a contact liquid solution, but your recipe came out really good, and you don't even need that. You just need 3 simple things.
Shaving cream, glue, and
Stay flow liquid starch. Let's see the front.
I always have trouble saying it. So I'm gonna get started. So I already used this bowl to make the other one. But your hands are gonna get messy, and then wash your hands, and then when you go back to playing with it, it's not gonna be messy. So let's get started right now. Wait, okay. So first I add this, some shaving cream, glue. Is it okay if I add all of it? Okay.
Here's more.
So you don't need 2 bottles. I'm just adding 2 bottles. I got some on my shirt.
It's okay.
And my...
That glue washes off really easy.
Really? Oh. Ooh, a bubble. A new bubble. So probably I'm gonna need a lot. We're not gonna add too much of this, or else it's gonna turn like not that stretchy. So now time to add the liquid starch, and now probably I'm gonna need more of the shaving cream. Don't add too much. Just keep adding like a little bit.
A little bit at a time, so you don't. Because if you start off with too much, you just might ruin it.
Probably you need this much. And then just start mixing. And if it starts like looking all watery, just add a little bit more. Just keep poking your finger. And if it's sticky, just add more. So now, you must touch it and squeeze it to make sure if it's perfect. I think this is kind of too sticky. So, I made a little fart noise with the slime. You can make fart noise with this.
So you just want to keep doing that until you feel it's about right, and then you wash your hands, and then you can try it again. Right, Helena? It's almost there, huh?
With cream.
You just don't want it to be too sticky and stringy, so that it makes a mess everywhere.
Oh, and also come check out Just Cat Eye Girl. So I think this is perfect. So I'm just gonna take off like some slime so